In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Yahoo Mail Full Beginner's Guide. Open your favorite web browser and go to the Yahoo Mail sign-in page. On the sign-in screen, carefully enter your Yahoo email username and your password, making sure there are no typos and that caps lock isn't on. Click Next, then select Sign In to access your inbox. Once you're in, your main inbox appears front and center, showing incoming emails in a list. On the left sidebar, you'll see folders like Inbox, Sent, Drafts, Spam, and Trash. These help you keep things tidy. You can also create custom folders to organize messages by topic, project, or sender, which makes it easier to find what you need later without digging through everything. At the top, you'll find a toolbar with a few key controls. Click Compose to write a new email. Use Search to quickly locate emails by name, subject, or keywords. This is a lifesaver when you can't remember where a message is. Settings is where you adjust preferences such as layout, theme, reading pane options, and conversation view. Below the toolbar is your message list. When you click any email in the list, it opens in a preview pane so you can read it without losing your place. To send an email, click Compose. In the new message window, type the recipient's email address in the To field. Add a clear subject line to set expectations. Then write your message in the body area. You can attach files or images using the attachment icon, and you can format text like bold, italics, bullets, or links to make important details stand out. When everything looks good, click Send. A quick tip: double-check the recipient's address and your attachments before you send to avoid follow-ups. To manage emails, click a subject line to open that message. Use Reply to respond directly to the sender, or Reply All if everyone on the thread needs your update. Forward lets you send the entire email to someone else while keeping the original context intact. Keep your inbox organized by dragging messages into your folders. For ongoing organization, use filters so emails from certain senders or with specific words automatically land in the right folder, reducing clutter and saving time. That's your guided tour of Yahoo Mail. You've learned how to sign in, navigate the interface, use the toolbar, compose and send messages, and manage your inbox efficiently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.